Hi there! Today we'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto on WEEX. Depositing crypto is easy. First, open the WEEX app and tap Assets. Next, tap Deposit. Choose On-Chain Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Pick the correct network. Then, copy the deposit address and send your crypto. Quick tips. Make sure the network matches the one you're sending from. Deposits usually take around 10 minutes. You'll get a confirmation in the app and by email. Withdrawing crypto is just as simple. Tap Withdraw on the Assets page. Select your crypto. Enter the withdrawal address or scan the QR code. Double-check the withdrawal network. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. For free internal transfers, tap Internal Transfer and enter the recipient's email, phone number, or WEEX UID. And that's it! Now you know how to deposit and withdraw crypto on WEEX. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!